Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your carrier plan includes 5G and that your account is provisioned for it. Once done, update the iPhone 11 to the latest iOS. This ensures radio firmware and network profiles are current. Next, enable cellular data and install a carrier-compatible SIM or configure an eSIM, then restart the device. These steps set the foundation. Without them, 5G won't appear. Make sure to stay in an area with 5G coverage before moving to the next step. Now you enable 5G inside iOS and set preferences. Go to Settings, Cellular Data Options, then Voice and Data. You'll see LTE, 5G Auto, and 5G On. Choose 5G Auto for intelligent switching that preserves battery, or 5G On when you need full throughput. Make sure data roaming is configured if you travel across networks. If your carrier uses manual network profiles, check network selection and pick the carrier name. Once set, observe the status bar for 5G. Finish by verifying and testing your connection. Check the status bar for a 5G icon and run a speed test in an area with strong signal. If you don't see 5G, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds, then disable it. If that fails, reset network settings via Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone. This clears profiles and often restores service. As a troubleshooting tip, contact your carrier with your IMEI and account details to confirm provisioning. They can push settings or swap SIMs if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.